What is going on, guys? Welcome to Trading with Tyler. Bitcoin has fallen. There's fear in the market. Your bags are probably looking bad, but I've had enough practice doing this video for the last 3 times due to technical issues. I'm going to make this short and sweet as possible because now I've had a lot of practice in, but my microphone is working perfectly now. We make plans and we trade our plans, okay? Now, if you don't have a plan, you're destined to fail in trading. And so we're just trying to trade the best probabilities. For me, that is an area with the most confluences. The more confluences I find at a level, the more things that align that tell me a level is respected, that's the level I want to be trading. So without further ado, I'm going to go through these 10 confluences and show you why this 65,420-ish area is the next place for me for a long setup. Okay, right off the bat, daily level. Okay, I'm going to move a little fast on this, all right? Daily level. So this is the previous range. Previous range, value area, high. Okay, this is its previous range. Previous range, value area, low. Those two aligning. Let me get to the good stuff. CC from the impulsive, 618 from the impulsive. Boom. Perfectly aligning with the daily level there. Okay, moving on over to exo charts. As you'll see, these volume profiles have been very, very well respected. We stopped here at this last candle at this previous week very high. We briefly stopped at this, and our bottom here is at 66,682 because we came through. And what did we test over here? This previous week value area low. If you can't see it, it's exactly where we are. I'll line this line with it perfectly. You'll see. So we're just going to keep going through these volume profiles until balance is gained again. And so where I see balance is the most, the alignment of confluences is we have this level right here, this value area low of a previous week, 65,420-ish, okay? Looking right, we have a value area low right in the same vicinity. We have another previous week value area low. We have two value area highs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here. That's 5 weeks right around this level. Okay. So that's 5 weeks. There's no MPOCs, unfortunately. So 5 confluences already right there. The 618 makes it 6. The daily level makes it 7. This previous range of it's more than a week. Value area high makes it 9. And this other value area low of this range makes it 10. Okay? I haven't even put on the markers of this yet. Why don't I do that? Maybe we'll find even more. Let's put on our markers. And look at that. 64. So previous week VWAP. 64,736. Is that what was that confluence with our level? 60. That's 65. Okay, my apologies. Let me take a look at this. 65,830. Previous monthly off at 65,835. Well, either way, not too worried about it. 10 confluences that I found that I liked there for a long. It's more than I can say about this daily right here. I can't find any really confluences that I like. There's one confluence I like, and so, anyways, let's just close this out with what I'll be looking to ladder into this compound, like 1/3 of a position at the 618, another third at the daily level, and the final third at the 6/6, giving you your best entry. And really and truly, trade is invalidated after the 6/6 right here, but we have this wick low right here we want to cover, and we're not just going to put our stop loss right there because that's just a good way to get liquidity grabbed. I believe that we just need to make this you need to go into 63K territory, just a little shy into it. That's just my opinion. And conservatively, we can look to take. Let's see with this. Oops. Yeah, I'm happy with the 4-to-1 risk reward. A little bit less. So, you know, we'll get from. As I'd be happier with that because it's gonna get a little crazy and hairy through here. So that'd be what I'll be looking for. Not financial advice. That's what take Confluences right at that 65 ish, 65 420 for the first ladder and onward. Best of luck. Trading with Tyler. Out.